want the earth to look like garbage all around? Do you want to live in a bad environment? We need to get a wind turbine at DCS because DCS wastes too much non-renewable energy, which causes CO2 to be put in the atmosphere. CO2 causes climate change, and climate change causes people to wear masks when they go outside. Go green and get a wind turbine. We need wind turbines is because they convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. This mechanical power can be used for special tasks, such as grid and grill or pump water, or a generator can convert this mechanical power into electricity. It is clean fluids. Animals are not dying because wind turbines are on. If we didn't have wind turbines, animals would die easier and drive cars. We need a wind turbine is because it produces clean energy that does not put CO2 into the atmosphere. Go green and buy a wind turbine.